Hey everybody, Justin Worden, and you're watching What's New in Electronics. We are here at the IPC Apex show. It is day one, and I am with Bryce Timms of Essemtec. How are you, man?
I'm doing well. How are you doing today?
So you and I have done this interview a few times. I always enjoy talking to you. I mean, your flagship is the all-in-one machine. So let's get started and talk about what everyone wants to hear.
Absolutely. So we brought with us two different versions of our flagship model machine, offering dispensing capabilities in combination with pick and place. So we've got our smaller Fox machine with us here this year that is picking and placing solder spheres onto a BGA chipset with flux for a BGA reballing process, showcasing some of our rework capabilities on that machine. We also have our Puma with us, which is just adding a little bit more flexibility. It's a larger machine, larger gantry, giving you additional valves or pick and place capability again in that same platform, all in one together.
One of the things I've been saving for this conversation to interview you with is executive teams actually financially incentivizing some of their engineers to find products that take up less floor space.
And floor space performance is an important thing when people are looking at sourcing equipment for their factories, right? Square footage costs money, and you want that square footage to be able to make you money, right? So having a machine that can handle multiple processes in a very small footprint, like our Fox machine that is 1 square meter, it can handle a very large feeder capacity. There are 5 different valve types that can be mounted, quick change on the machine, and it plugs into a 110 volt wall outlet. So being able to go from pick and place, solder paste, jet dispensing, into things like dam and fill, underfill, and more complex dispensing requirements or needs really gives you that, or maximizes that floor space performance in your factory.
Well, let's move on a little bit. Let's talk about some of the other products you're showcasing this week.
The other things you'll find in our booth, from a dispensing standpoint, we brought our Tarantula machine. It is a large form factor machine that is dedicated just for dispensing. So there are 3 different valve types that are mounted inside the gantry on that machine, giving you unmatched flexibility when you're looking at lidding and different processes beyond SMT, both inside and beyond SMT.
You know, Bryce, another thing I noticed when I was walking by your booth earlier today is there was a different product in there with another name. Can you go into that a little bit?
Okay, so our parent company, Nano Dimension, brought the Dragonfly with them to the booth this year, and the Dragonfly is 3D printing substrates for electronics manufacturing. So it's an additive process for building a printed circuit board. So if people want to come by and learn more about that, we've got an entire team of engineers supporting interest on that machine as well.
Yeah, it sounds like you guys are really starting to dip your toe into a lot of different verticals. So I know there's going to be a lot of people walking around the booth, so I'm going to let you get back to it. Bryce, thank you so much. Have a wonderful show.
Thank you, Justin.